Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to install WordPress on your local PC or a computer. Now the question comes, why you would want to install WordPress on your local laptop or a PC, right? See, normally if you want to build a WordPress site, you have to buy the domain and hosting, and then only you can launch your website live. But if you don't want to launch the website for now and just want to try or test your WordPress website, you can do so by just installing the WordPress on your local computer. So when you install the WordPress locally, all the website files will be stored on your local computer. And this means only you will be able to access your website and your website files. So this is a great way to learn making a WordPress website for a free of cost. Once you build your WordPress site locally, you can then move it into a live website. I will show you how you can do that in a later part of the video. So keep watching. Now let's install the WordPress locally on your computer. It is totally free. So first of all, we have to go to the Google browser. Okay. And here you are going to type Bitnami WordPress. So this is a software which will allow us to run a website on your computer. It will allow us to make or to design a website on your local computer. So here we have to click on the first link. Okay. Okay. So now from here you have to go in on my computer. So here we have two sections, that is Win, Mac and Linux and virtual machine. So we are going to click on Win, Mac and Linux option. Once done, then at the downside we will get the options like, do you want to install for Windows or OS X operating system or Linux operating system. As my operating system is Windows, so I am going to download this particular software for the Windows. Okay, so just click on the download for Windows. Once done with this, you have to click on no thanks, just take me to the download. Okay, so just click on this particular link. So as you can see, the download of for the Bitnami WordPress has been started. Okay, so this is the way how you can download this particular software. It's completely free. Okay, so I have already downloaded the setup file. So now we'll see how to install the Bitnami WordPress on your PC. Okay, so just go to the downloads where the file is downloaded. So as you can see, I have here setup file Bitnami WordPress. So I will click on this particular setup file. Then you have to click on OK. By default, you are going to select English and click on OK. Just click on yes, continue with installation. Then you have to click on next. Again, click on next. If you want to change the file, so you can change from here. As I don't want to change, so I will just click on next. I will just, here I have just changed the name of the WordPress as I have already installed it. So now again click on next. Then it will ask you for your username and email address. So give your proper username and email address. Once done with this, you have to provide the login and password. Please make sure that you remember this login and password as we are going to use it when we are going to log in for your local WordPress. And then click on next. Again click on next. Again click on next. So now the WordPress is getting installed on your local computer. So this process will take some time to install. Okay, so now we have installed it successfully. So click on finish. So the installation process will take some 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so once it is installed, you will be redirected to this particular web page. Okay, so from here, you have to click on Access WordPress. Okay, just click on Access WordPress. Okay, so now I want to log into my WordPress dashboard. So as you can see here, it is giving 127.0.0.1 IP address. So this is a local host. Okay, so we have installed our WordPress on the local computer. So now to log in, we have to just write login after the WordPress and just click on enter. Okay, so here you are going to give your user name and password we have which we have given while installing the WordPress. And just click on login. So now as you can see, we are into the dashboard of the WordPress. Okay, so from here you can start building your website, WordPress website on your local computer. Once you have developed your website on your local computer, you can easily move it to the live website. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.